crafters, welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John, and thanks for giving me just a few minutes this morning. Wanted to talk about a new live that we have coming up on Thursday evening of this week. It is called Cutting Up and Piecing Out, and it is meant to give us more time together, but be very specific around projects. So this Thursday will be our first live together. It will be about pre-cut night. I am still kind of toying with a couple of patterns that I want to play with. Keep in mind, I cannot share specifics around the patterns because we are not the pattern makers. These are not our patterns to share, but we will be talking about using jelly rolls, charm packs, layer cakes, all those different things and some of the techniques that we want to consider. And hopefully you all will be able to share with us some techniques that you use, right? We're still new to this. We're just going into our third year of quilting and sewing. And guys, let me tell you, when I go to our local quilt guild and run into ladies and guys that have been doing this 20, 25, 30 years, I know I'm a novice, and I am so fortunate that you all enjoy listening to me, that you tune in, and that we get to share. But I have learned so much from you all as our subscribers and supporters to the channel, and that just means a lot to us as well. So I'm hoping that this Thursday evening at 6:30 p.m., if you are able to join, that you'll drop in. If not, catch the replay and we'll see how things go. But this first one will be focused around pre-cuts. Again, I am not sure what that pattern looks like. I've got another 2 days to make that decision, but we'll figure it out and have something ready to go by the time we join each other Thursday evening. The new show is called Cutting Up and Piecing Out. We hope to be able to see you there. If not, please catch us on the replay. And as always, guys, we appreciate each and every one of you. And until next time, or until Thursday night, happy crafting.